daily new cases coming up, almost 1300 range leki పడిపోయినప్పటికీ కూడా జాగ్రత్తలు తప్పదు. ఇవన్నీ పాజిటివ్ అంశాలు అయినప్పటికీ కూడా ప్లీజ్ స్టే ఆన్ యువర్ టోస్. కోవిడ్ అప్రోప్రియేట్ బిహేవియర్ అన్నది, ఆ గైడ్ లైన్స్ అన్నది ప్లీజ్ మేక్ షూర్ దట్ దే ఆర్ స్ట్రిక్ట్లీ అడ్హియర్డ్ టు. Be it wearing of masks కానీ, be it penalties on shops and establishments violating the guidelines కానీ, restrictions on gatherings, especially పెళ్ళిళ్ళ సీజన్ కాబట్టి 150 people దాకా రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేసే పరిస్థితిని కూడా you need to make sure that they're properly adhered to. Especially now that the schools have also started opening up. The SOPs issued by Education Department should be followed very scrupulously. So our SOPs annadi edaithe unnayo, please make sure that they are properly followed. Most importantly, testing randomly anedi is not the solution. Testing in a focused manner is the solution. These house-to-house surveys that you're conducting, that should continue. And anybody who is symptomatic should be tested. Similarly, in schools also, if a teacher reports to you on a particular symptomatic case, then there should be a proper protocol in place as to how to deal with that symptomatic case. Immediately, the testing should be arranged with a proper SOP in place. Then not only the kid, not only the child, but if he is tested positive, then you should go all the way to the parents so that they are also tested. So this kind of focused testing approach anedi is a must. Third wave vastundo ledo, and please ensure that these meetings, Agriculture Advisory Committee meetings, are held regularly at the RBK level on the first Friday of every month, and on the second Friday of every month at mandal level, and third Friday of every month at the district level by the collectors. Mandatory and must. Similarly, seeds, fertilizers and pesticides, the distribution of these at the RBK level is very important. Somebody goes to a kiosk, presses for the requirement, and within a stipulated period, 24 hours or 48 hours, they need to be supplied. The collectors would have to take control over the situation, not only in delivery, but also of the quality that is going to be distributed through these RBKs. The collectors would be questioned on this. If at all a particular RBK does not supply quality material, because government of Andhra Pradesh is standing guarantee for the quality there. So it's very important that there is a proper protocol in place, proper SOP in place, proper monitoring in place, and we stand guarantee. The government stands guarantee. The collectors stand guarantee. Together we stand guarantee so that no spurious seed or no spurious pesticide or no spurious fertilizer is supplied there through the RBKs. And in fact, the spurious element should be removed from the system, which also requires that all the private shops raids are conducted systematically making sure that the collectors and the SPs sit down together every week, make sure you discuss the progress of these raids, and make sure that these raids are conducted. Jagananna Shashwata Bhu Hakku and Bhu Raksha.